Let's get to the point. I really love the coffee plus lemonade combo drink from a stall inside the parking lot beside BDO sa Escolta, Manila. Ito yung BDO na malapit sa The Hub. And super honest, nahirapan ako hanapin siya. So from Carriedo LRT station, paki-Google Map na lang ang First United Building. Walk towards that building, then lagpasan nyo siya, and then after a few streets, makikita nyo na ang BDO. Walang name ang store kaya lalo ako nahirapan. I suggest gumawa sila ng name kaagad. Nakakaloka ang walang name, parang yung last date ko, hindi ko maalala ang name. 70 pesos siya and I found it delicious. It was a fragrant, light coffee with light sweetness. Marami ng cafes ang nag-combine ng coffee and lemonade, and this was one of my most favorite versions. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for everything hanggang sa garlic naman nasakto lang sa sarap. A TikTok viewer sent me a direct message and invited me to try yung lemonade stand ng mother niya and even offered to pay for my order pag dumaan ako. Pero when I got there, I paid for it na rin without letting that person know. Tulong ko na ito sa isang small business owner. I said yes kasi ang ganda ng message niya sa akin. Hindi tulad ng ibang cafes and restaurants na halatang copy and paste ang invitation. The other two drinks I tried were, number one, classic lemonade, 55 pesos. While I don't like overly sweet drinks, sorry to say this was planned. I had to double check if they forgot the sugar. May sugar naman daw. I encourage all of you to add another dose of their sugar syrup when you order. Number two, Bioman or lemonade with Yakult, 55 pesos. Not sure bakit Bioman ang name. Sorry to say again, it was surprisingly bland, and my guess is both flavors kasi neutralize each other. I really believe the best flavor balance is when one is slightly dominant and the other flavors complementary. They really need to choose one flavor to be higher in dose. Overall, I love small businesses like this na nakakatulong sa mga pamilya to survive financially. I will always have a soft spot for them. Pero ayoko ring mag-post dahil lang sa awa. I'm posting this because in fairness, okay talaga yung 70 pesos coffee plus lemonade combo nila. If nasa area kayo, please visit and comment na lang kayo or tag me kung nagustuhan nyo. Click follow for the next story.